Welcome in QMNE Innovation. Let me explain current result in creation of new design of the clips. Current design of clips consists from two elements, leg number 1 and leg number 2. What kind material we apply? We apply material steel. It is SAS steel, very good spring SAS steel from risers. It is suitable materials, and these materials looks like as materials for clips of Olympus. Right now we have different size. For example, it is size for training, but frankly speaking, it is almost correct diameter. But there is Olympus with two working diameter. One working diameter it is 2.8, and you can see I can close it, I can open, closed, open. And other working diameter it is 3.8, but this diameter 3.6. Now let me introduce first of all principle of operation for locking system. You can see locking system located in this area. Locking system have name bird, yeah, because it looks like as bird. And we to do installation our clips from two elements in our tube. Need to do installation. Right now we will to do connect pusher. In this case it is our pusher closed, and we became push our pusher go to here, and we became move clips move. We open the clips, and after this we became to aiming. For example, and right now connection finished, and we will to do disconnection. So it's principle of operation for locking system bird. Right now we must select correct proportion for increase reliability. That's all. We to do charging. Our clips located in horizontal position. Charging, pusher, we can move. We can to do aiming. After this we can hold something. Locking, open, disconnection. So that's all. I became move. I can revolving. I can to do revolving, and after this I to do locking and disassembling. Stop. I move. I became move to open, and after this I became closed. Check, closed. So I'm finished. I can to do disconnection. Stop.